All right, so here I got the new Push Unite mask. This is a special edition I got from Contract Killer. But the problem with it, it's a good mask. All right, it breathes good. I could hear good. People could hear me good. I don't hear like no reverb inside, my ear or anything like that. But it's a little small. It's kind of like an i4. I have a big head, so my chin sticks out, a little bit. So Push came up with a solution, and what they did was make some extensions for it, which when you buy them, you get this. I couldn't find any videos on YouTube, so I decided to make something for you guys in case anybody else has the same problem I had. But this is what you get, and this is basically the part that sticks out right there. You get, I think it's a good ½ an inch that you get there, and then this piece right here kind of sticks out too. So this is what you originally get, and then this part here is what sticks out here. It goes up and it comes back down here. So you have your mask, you get a little piece here. This stays basically the same, I think. I'm not sure. We'll see once we put them on. And then it goes again right here. You get more extension there. And to put them on, it's pretty easy. It's kind of like changing your mask, your lens. It's kind of like that. So, and then it's pretty easy changing the lens here. Let me see. It's kind of hard looking through the camera, but you pop this out here. You just kind of go through the motion of taking it off. Once it's off, you could pull your plastic through the strap, and then everything else is you just kind of tug gently on everything else. It'll just kind of come loose by itself. See there, it's grabbed down through there. All right, it's grabbed down through here. You just kind of pick this up a little bit or pry it or something, and then it'll come loose. See, then it comes right off. Then you just pull through this here again gently, because you don't want to rip these. I guess you have extras in case of anything. And to put them on, it's the same thing. All right, that belongs there. It goes here. So same thing. Make sure you put this on right too, because if you put it like over here, it won't fit. So it has to go. The strap has to go behind this part here. So just feed that through. Feed it all the way. Probably should have taken the whole strap off. Maybe it would have made it a little easier. But see, what am I doing wrong? Nothing. There. This thing's in my way. All right. It's in there. Let's pull that back. There you go. Let's lock this in down there. Make sure all that is inside. Now let's throw this part back here. Again, you see this little square here? It goes in this little tab there, right? And then this little thing here, it goes in here. So once you get that done, we're almost there. So let's get that in there. Now let's get this thing back in here. Can't see. There it is. So we got that. So now my ear is in place, and we put this thing back in here where the original was at. How do I not give you guys a shout out? Let's do it that way. Am I doing it right? Yeah. All right. So let's. Damn thing. Oh, I'm doing it wrong. All right, you guys get to watch me struggle. Forget it. All right, so you get the premise. That goes in there. I would put this Well, I think it goes in here anyway. And the very first hole, just kind of pull up on this thing here. Damn, these things are so small, it's hard to grab. All right, pull it all the way through. So it goes all the way through. And then this little bottom tab that you see there, that's going to go in your second hole. It's going to go like that. Come on, man. There you go. And usually when they go in, you hear like a little snap, just kind of telling you that it's in there. All right, and then how does it go? It does go through the top, huh? Why kind of not do it? What the? All right, forget it. Not going anywhere with that. So same thing here. Pull it through, put it in the second hole. This thing keeps popping out, maybe because this part isn't in there yet. See, and then we got to remove that here too. That's what happens when you got big fingers. It's hard to get to things, man. This mask is real easy to take apart. It's just me struggling it because I've done it maybe like 0 times. So I got that done. Same thing, let's pull all this out. Let's pull this thing out of here too. There's that. Same thing. We pop this off here. Came off already. And we just pull this one out of there. Let's see if this goes in here. Let's try to redeem myself because I couldn't get the other one in there. Man, forget it. All right, well, anyway, I'm not going to do the whole thing on camera. I don't want to look more dumb than I already look, but here it is, what it's going to look like once it's done. You got the original ears the way it came with, the extension part here. All right, so basically it looks like that once it's all done. When you do it right, not like me where you half-assed it. But that's what it's going to look like. That's how much extra protection you get down there. It should be enough. At least my chin won't be exposed as much as it is now. And if I find any pictures of me with my chin exposed, I'll take those and I'll put another one so you can see the difference. If I don't put anything, it's because I couldn't find any pictures. All right, but that's basically it right there. That's the half-inch extension you get there. And this is the other extension part you get there. So all this here is basically new in the mask. That's going to be it. You know what? It's not it. Let me build this thing. I'm going to build the whole thing for you. Then I'm going to come back and I'm going to show you what it looks like with everything done already. All right? I'm not going to cheat you out the way it looks just because I can't do it. And I'm not going to look stupid here and try to make it like a 10-15 minute video because I can't put a little strap in. But I'll be right back. So here it is, the final product. New ears, the extension here, extension up the bottom part where the chin covers your chin. All right, so that's it. That's what it looks like after it's all said and done. And like I said, it is about 1/2 inch here. You get an extra 1/4 inch here, this part here, and then we'll see how good of a job it does. And I finally got these little tabs in here. It was a little bit difficult for me. I did struggle with it, and then you guys could, if you guys ever buy them, Don't pull on these too hard because they are kind of fragile. They do stretch a little bit. So I just kind of pushed it in through, let me see, where no shadow, there you go. So I just kind of pushed it in through here. You know, I just kind of grabbed it a little bit and then just started kind of like forcing it in there till it just kind of popped in, because they do stretch quite a bit, and I don't want you to rip them, because then it's going to be hard to put it back in there, even more harder, because it's kind of difficult. But I got them in there. They don't come out no more. We're good. If you guys struggle with this part here, let me know in the comments if you guys struggle with that. That way I don't feel as dumb as I feel right now, because I struggled for a couple minutes on that. All right, but there you go, ladies and gentlemen. Push Unite mask with the extension on. All right, so if you guys decide to, there's like really no pictures on the internet or anything like that. So this is what it looks like, and this is like a real life deal here.